buyer, before you look for a buyer, let me explain to you why this is important. I explained this to you in Memphis, but you didn't do it. Nashville. Same thing.
Yo guys, you're gonna pig out on this incredible Knoxville vlog. We have been here in Knoxville, Tennessee, where Jerry Norton, my best friend, lives with his family. We're on this incredible homestead. We did a big meetup right here in this pavilion, and we ended up doing a scavenger hunt with 150 people. I've been here for Thanksgiving. I've recharged. This 100-day road trip has been incredible. We've been on the road now 30 days, and I needed like 3 or 4 days to reset, be with my family, and really give thanks during Thanksgiving. But this vlog is so cool because the scavenger hunt and the people that we helped right here during the pavilion and the meetup the other night, so amazing. Stay tuned for all of that. And for those of you guys that have been watching, please remember, we are coming to your cities. We have 84 cities more to go. Go to creativenationtour.com, sign up down below. We'll see you in person. We're doing deals live and in person with everybody. And this is gonna be one for the books. This is gonna be one of the best vlogs that we've done in the last 30 days. Stay tuned. Hey, Nathan is trying to get this to move, but now the hydraulic steering is off. The power steering is not working. So he's having a hard time. The RV is RVing. Did you guys run into a lot of RV issues when you were traveling around? Lots. All the time. Knoxville, Tennessee was a good stop on the tour because we ended up taking about a 4-day journey and just resting up, doing fun family activities. We went up into the Smoky Mountains, went to a cavern. But the most important thing that we did is we went to a meetup at Jerry Norton's farm. And because we were on a farm with no cell service, we couldn't make calls. So what we ended up doing instead is we did a scavenger hunt to force people into networking with each other, connecting with people in their local area, Knoxville, and making sure that they went home with local resources so they could continue to build their business with those people. All right. Give me a big yes that you guys are all ready. 1, 2, 3. I will help you. You are the first crew. I will actually go help. I already know you're going to fail at this. It's going to be really hard. Okay. We are going to end this in 45 minutes. Which means that each one of these clues you have 4.5 minutes per location. You got to go quick, but safe. Are we ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you guys are going the wrong direction. I love it. All right, this is like the coolest thing ever. So many people are running around the farm right now. Hundreds of people. Check this out. Gator down. What's the clue?
The clue is follow the path of peace and listen for flowing water. Find the bench.
I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a river on the water on the property that way.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, we have pictures.
Beautiful
Yeah.
Go find the noisy colored ladies who guard golden treasures.
Golden treasures, also known as huevos.
Maybe it's
Translation, eggs.
Yep. Chickens.
Look
at all those.
Look at all those chickens.
Is this where the sawdust dances?
Yes.
Oh, all right, cool.
Yes, you made it to the right spot.
All right.
You ready?
Somebody.
Hold on, where's your team? You have to, hey, you guys got to get a team photo at every clue. Hold on, what's the answer?
Walk toward the building where the wool, hooves, and
the snout to rule the kingdom. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. What animal wisdom guides us next?
What animal wisdom guide us next?
Boom! Go, 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 go! I was trying to fool you.
Shame on you.
All right, so we got people all the way over here, going all the way over there. Then we got people all the way down here at the mailbox. Really? You guys are done? Hurry!
On it.
Go, go, go! Are you guys done? You better get up there. You guys haven't been up to the cabin in the woods yet?
Where the shadows
Wait a minute.
are waiting.
I feel like you have. No, wait. What was your first
We
clue?
went there, but we were in the wrong spot.
Okay.
Okay, we
So
were
this
kind-
is what you gotta ask them.
Yes.
I'll send you right to the right
So,
spot.
do the
After the scavenger hunt, we did the meetup, and we went to the audience and we asked people their questions. And one of the most prevailing questions that kept coming up is, how do I find a buyer? And so this next segment is going to be, how do you start wholesaling? Is by starting to find a buyer.
Before you look for a buyer, let me explain to you why this is important. I explained this to you in Memphis, but you didn't do it.
Nashville.
Same thing. It's important. I'll tell you why. When you're brand new, who's new? If you take nothing else from tonight, take this. The reason why there's 20 states of regulation is because wholesalers are unethical. When you are a brand new wholesaler, my friend, the first action you should take is build up 5 buyers in the town you are working, so that when you are negotiating with sellers, you go to your buyers and say, hey Alexis, I'm working on this 123 Main Street, fits your buy box. What would be your number? I'll make sure that I get it at that number or lower. Alexis would then tell you the number, because you're too brand new to know that you're over $150,000. Let your customer tell you what they would pay for it. And that is how wholesale should be done on your first couple of deals. Here's what you should do when you're starting out. Find your buyer, pick a market, and everything else that's being sent to you outside of your market, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it. The problem is you're all over the place. Pick a market. If it's Memphis, choose Memphis. Where do you live? Memphis is your market. Don't do Arizona. Delete.
I want to be global.
No, you don't. Okay, Jay-Z went global, right? But Jay-Z started in his local market in Brooklyn. I got to rap on my corner first, then I can go global. Right now, you're trying to go global. You're all over the place. You're spending most of your time traveling, not performing. Make sense? Could Jay-Z could have gotten as good as he is if all he did in the first year was travel all over and not perform? We need to get you on that corner in Memphis and just perform, perform, perform. Who are your 5 buyers in Memphis that are actually buying a good amount of deals? The answer is, I don't have them yet. Right?
I agree.
So do not call a seller or an agent ever again until you have 5 buyers in Memphis that are like, yeah, I'm buying. Make sense? What's your market?
Memphis.
How many more buyers do you need?
I got 2, 3.
Okay, you need how many more? 3. What's your market? Chattanooga. When I see you on Sunday on Chattanooga, I'll make sure you get introduced to at least 2, 3, or 4 buyers.
Thanksgiving was awesome. We spent it with Rachel, Nathan. We had all the Nortons, the Morbys, and even my sister Landry drove 4 hours to come out and hang out. The following day, we explored the town, but the most important thing we did is we went out and we toured an RV park that I'm in the process. I'm under contract right now with Whitney Park Hill and Melissa Ryan, Owners Club members. They are partnering. They brought this RV park to me. I'm helping fund it. We're going to help bring process and systems to it. It's a $3.5 million purchase price. You guys can see some footage of this RV park. And of course, future YouTube videos will come out about this RV park and how much it's making and what we're doing to improve occupancy and what we're doing to improve cash flow and all of those things. But Knoxville was a wild success. This vlog has been a wild one because it's been a 4-day vlog. And we will see you guys over in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Later.